Right guys, welcome to a new video. I just wanted to talk to you guys about the next car meet. So to give you guys a little bit of information on what's going to happen on them, because it is going to be a regular thing. So the next car meet is going to be the 2nd of June. It is on a Saturday. For those of you that requested a Saturday, it will be better for a lot of people, so you don't have to worry about getting back and such for those of you that are off work. For me personally, I work some weekends as well, so I can book it off, so it makes no difference to me. But for you guys, we're going to do it on the Saturday, 2nd of June again. It's going to be at Ilkeston TESCO car park. It's going to be underground. One issue we have there is you can only stay for 3 hours. However, over the road there is an Audi. So what we can do is after about 2.5 hours, we can all move to the Audi, stay there for an hour 15, and then move back into the TESCO, because there's no TESCO, in the TESCO car park, there's no return for an hour. So doing an hour 15, we're all going to be safe. There's going to be no issues, no fines and that. Obviously, we'll have to still be a little bit respectful because, you know, it is TESCO. So, yeah. But what I am going to do for the next meet, which will be start of July, it will be the first Saturday again in July, I'm going to move further south. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and move around the country a little bit to try and give all you guys that do follow me a chance to come and meet me or see the car, and also give you guys something to do. So if any of you guys are a little bit more south than East Midlands, let me know and we'll try and figure out a place where we can all meet and all have a good time as well. So that'll be good. So yeah, all the details will be in the description. Again, subscribers are actually like hitting the roof, so thank you guys ever so much for that. Honestly, I appreciate it more than you guys can imagine. And also stickers, people who's bought stickers, again, thank you very much. If you haven't bought one and you do want one, link is in the description and I can get it posted out for you as soon as possible. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, so again, thank you guys so much. I never thought I'd actually get anywhere near that. But obviously you guys like this content, you know. If there's some things that you guys want to see as well in these videos, do let me know. You know, if there's something you want to see, like a seat removal or something like anything to help you guys, let me know and I will try and get my best to get on it for you guys. So yeah, all information in the description. Again, big thank you to you guys. These meets will be quite regular, so I'm actually from the Mansfield area, so if there's people around there that want to do a convoy and we can all drive there together, by all means we can sort that out. So yeah, let me know. Follow me on Instagram, which has been on the screen all the way through this video, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.